Hey
Submarine.
everyone, welcome back to Scale Factory. Today we are focusing on a small but essential part of any RC submarine, O-rings. These little seals are key to keeping water out and ensuring smooth operation. I'll show you how to cut, glue, clean and grease an O-ring, then fit it into place. Let's get started. Okay, let's start by cutting some piece of O-ring from O-ring roll. The length should be equal to inner diameter of the O-ring groove because in that case it will be stretched a little bit and it will hold its place better. While cutting it, you should try to cut it in a straight perpendicular line as much as possible to make that connection gluing part easier. So our first part is ready. Now we will glue it like that. I will use super glue. Actually, there are better glues for special for O-rings, but in my application it's not that important, so I will glue them with super glue. That small pieces I am also I have printed them to just create a better alignment while connecting them. The alignment of pieces that face is really important because if they are not aligned properly, there will be small gaps left. So in heavy pressure, you can have some leakage through that small bumps on the surface. But for low pressure applications, just greasing it around will be enough to keep water out. So looks okay. Now it's ready for the next step. Before putting O-rings in its place, it's a nice idea to clean the surface, especially some particle of dust may be there, and they will create some small holes, small gaps between the surface of the piece and the O-ring. So I'm cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol to just remove any dust particles that left there. And in a similar fashion, I'm cleaning the O-rings too. I've created four of them, but I will use the application of two, that will be enough. So next part will be greasing them. It's better to do it with wearing gloves. The grease is just there to fill the small gaps, small holes between the surface and the O-ring.
Gel gel izle.
So she's my daughter, just asking to me what am I doing here.
Sen ne yapıyorsun anne? Sen ne
Ne
yapıyorsun?
yapıyorum ben öyle? Hı?
Grease is really small there, so that's why we are applying grease all over it.
Pam pam. Pam pam pam.
Of course, there are better lubricants, especially designed for O-rings, but in that application, an ordinary rolling bearing grease will be enough. In a similar fashion, I am applying some grease to the piece itself, the grooves, in the grooves. Actually, in here I am applying it a little bit too much for than required, but it's up to you. You can apply much less, especially if the surface is that deflection on the surface is small enough. So first one is in its place. And the second one. Now I will apply some more grease on top of them.
Baba bak ne oldu ben? Ben sana bunu yiyeceğim. Ben onu yiyeceğim.
Ne güzel kızım ya.
And that's it. A properly cut, glued and greased O-ring. Ready to keep your RC submarine watertight. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more RC and 3D printing content. See you in the next one.